Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to change your mouse cursor in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then type settings. Open settings by selecting it. Now go to accessibility, as you can see in the left panel here. Click on it. Now you can see the text cursor option here. Now click on it. Uh, for those who don't know, you can change your text cursor indicator. For example, by just moving it, you can see this option here. You can change the text size as well as text color. You can change it to your preferable color. Now you can change the text cursor thickness here by along the arrow. Now to change your mouse pointer and touch, you have to select this last option here. Click on it. Now as you can see my mouse pointer style here. You can change your mouse pointer style as well as you can change the color, your recommended colors as you can see over here. You can change to any, but it's very fancy, so I prefer it more to be black and white, as you can see here. And you can change the cursor size as well as by arranging the arrow. It will, okay, now it's normal. You can also change the touch indicator by make the circle dark and larger. I will prefer not do it. It will look very big on screen and I will not recommend you. And that's it guys. You can change the mouse pointer and touch as well as you can change the color. I hope you like the video and put down any query in the comment section if you have. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel.